Today we're going to assemble kit 2-3-2-4 jungle helicopter, and let's get started.
Dalej się siadasz?
Hej, tato, nie ma mięsa.
O, ciężka jesteś.
Tak, jestem ciężka, no urosłam, tak?
Jesz jak szalona.
Tak. O,
Nie, rączki wiesz jeszcze.
o teraz to się otwiera. Wow, fajnie to. Tak, jest resztę, wow. Instrukcja to tylko jest w samolocie. Masz instrukcję, tato.
No mam instrukcję.
Wszystko dla ciebie instrukcje. Wow, fajnie.
No chcemy, że jest jeden ludzik, ale widzę, że jest dwóch ludzików. Haha!
Dużo mu zostało pewnie
Co?
tutaj.
No może. Dobra. Dobra, teraz poczekaj.
Dobrze.
So as you may see, assembling of this kit is very nice. I was able to do it pretty fast. There were no problems. Everything goes smooth with the instruction. The only problem that I got is with the rotors. As you may see on this video, rotor with 4 wings or 4 parts. Sometimes if you push it hard to rotors, it will disassemble by itself, and you need to glue the circle which connects the whole 4 rotors to have it properly done. As you may see, the cargo has a potential place for, I would say, 4-5 soldiers at least, and 2 soldiers as a pilots. So it's nice. The chopper for me is some kind of Mi-24, I would guess, but obviously this is like chubby Mi-24 with very high wings. So yeah, it's obviously a variation. You cannot say that it's something which is similar to armed forces, but it's definitely a fun thing to play with. So from that point of view, I recommend it. And here are a few pictures with 2 pilots and 4 Chinese soldiers inside of the chopper, as you can see. Guys are sitting. I think it looks nice. And yeah, I really enjoyed creating this, so hope you will also enjoy it. And I bought this set for like 30 zlotys, which is very cheap in my opinion, and it's very old, I guess, because the number is 2-3-2-4 COBI set, so it's old.